Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make returns with Apple Pay. Let's get straight into the video. So when initiating a return, the first thing you want to do is to check the merchant's return policy. So you got to review the merchant's return policy to ensure that you understand the return and refund process. And then once you've done that, what you got to do is to just contact the merchant. So you got to reach out to the merchants to initiate the return process. And then of course you want to provide the transaction details. So share the transaction details, including the date, time, and the amount of the purchase. Now for refunding a transaction, so the merchant's gonna process the refund. So we're gonna process the refund through their payment system, and the refund is gonna be credited to your Apple Pay account. And of course refund is transferred to your original payment method. So if once the refund process is done, the refund is going to be transferred to your original payment method that you used for the purchase. Now when it comes to checking the status of a refund, there are a couple of things to note. The first you can do is to open the wallet app. So you want to find the wallet app on your iPhone and open that up, and then you want to tap on the transaction. So just select the transaction that you want to check the status of, and then of course you can view the transaction details. So just view the transaction details, and that's going to include the funding status. Now a couple of tips and reminders here for you guys. The first is to keep your receipts. So you got to keep your receipts for purchases made with Apple Pay, as you may need them for returns or refunds. The second of course is to check the merchant's return policy. So you got to understand return policies before making a purchase. So you're going to see if that product is available for refunds. The third of course is to contact Apple support if you need any help or assistance with returns or refunds. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it, hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.